en route to pick up the U-Haul. So yeah, that's exciting, right, Daniel? Danny? Dan? Okay.
It is. It's just a lot of driving.
Is it though?
Woo!
Oh, so yeah. We'll see you when we start moving, right? Okay, bye.
Actually,
Forever to get this truck, but we're here, and now I have to pull this out. So.
finally.
Okay guys, this is what the room is looking like so far. We've made progress. We created kind of an assembly line. So, sorry. I'm bringing this stuff to the steps and then Dan is like packing the truck. So we don't have too much to go. We have this left and then we have this stuff in that corner left. And that's it. So let's get this done on double time. The bottom stretch, finishing a couple more boxes, my lovely plants, my babies, and then we're good to go. So I'll see you when we are actually in the truck and headed to the new apartment. Dun, dun, dun. See you then. outside of my soon-to-be former apartment building with my plant babies. Just waiting for a box to put those in so they don't, I guess, get injured while I'm moving. Well, like, and Dan is pulling over his car because he brought 2 additional boxes for me. Because sometimes he can be a goat, and sometimes he can't be. What does it mean when bees are always around you? Like, bees are always around me. Like, do y'all want to die? I don't get it. So once he gets over here, we'll continue. Hi guys, we're in the car. Ah! We're moving. That took us. Woo! Your girl is looking rough. Don't judge.
Do we have a Jeep, easy pass here?
No, they cover that.
Oh.
Yeah, your girl's looking rough. We moved in 2 hours because, like, we're dope. We're amazing. And then we're gonna head. Why did you share my ETA with me?
Of this, so you know when we get there. We're gonna get there at 2:21.
Oh my god, that's so long.
Can you put your GPS to just? Actually, no, this should be fine.
Ooh.
I've never driven this piece of junk. This is automatic.
If you don't,
right?
yeah, it's automatic.
There's no brakes, manual brakes.
No.
The-
It's like a regular car.
No, but there is that other brake, the hard brake, like this one here.
You don't need to use that hard brake.
I just did. Fuck. Ah!
Doing the most. We are headed to the new apartment. And I'll see you there. I'm not going to do an apartment tour yet.
Where's the blinkers?
Can I finish? On top of the thing.
Oh, here. Oh, here.
No. Whoa! He will not let me be great.
I will legit target you.
I
was talking
That's
to
on video.
I was
So
talking
you
to
guys
them.
heard that. He
I
said
will
he's
legit
going. Okay.
I'm talking to the ghost.
Yep.
The ghost.
We'll see you guys when we get there.
If we get no.
If I make it, if I'm there live. Mama, I love you. Mama, I love you, baby. Alright guys, we decided to stop for a little. This side of my face, the skin is glowing, but oh, we're gonna work on it. We decided we're gonna stop. You wanna stop at this one or another one? I guess this is the first,
Yeah.
the only one before we get to the Beltway.
Actually, should I?
I guess.
Or should I just bite the store?
Use the left 2
Neither
lanes
the
to
store.
keep left towards Jackie
We're a little thirsty because we like.
Fuck it, let's just go.
Alright, I guess we're not gonna stop and get something to drink.
I need to take a left, so y'all can let me or not. Woo!
Keep left.
Finna. The way he says finna is so funny.
Hold this, because
So yeah.
Expressway towards Whitestone Bridge.
These clouds look so pretty. Wow. Thank you, God. Thank you, Jehovah. I have nothing.
Actually, she
Nothing.
has a lot. She doesn't need to really say that.
You're right. You doing the most. You, have
a
like
lot. You don't need to have
$8,000,000.
And
Beautiful
you go spend all
house.
on drugs, like,
Super
but
talented.
You
Like
don't need to just because you don't have a man doesn't mean you don't have nothing.
you
That's
sister, ma. I mean,
What?
you sister. You're gifted, ma.
Take a video of the bridge. Oh look, Jazz, we need to be riding our bikes here.
You need to calm down.
Alright.
And that's on.
Period. We need to be riding our bikes here. Let me cross the bridge.
Can you like not swerve? You're such a horrible driver.
Can you take a video of the bridge?
Who cares about the bridge?
Can you take a video of all these in this nice.
You guys will see the bridge more than likely another day.
Can you please? I'm not ready for the camera time.
We
I
can
can wake up
tell.
top, yo bum ass.
Ooh,
The
that
renters
is
don't be doing all that.
the who?
The renters don't be doing all that.
Who's the renters?
I'm renting it out to you. We
Is
don't
he
be-
though?
Woo! These families are so cute. They don't. A little licky licky. Can you move your hand? I
It's
can't see.
recording.
I can't
I'm
see.
so sorry. All right, guys, guess what?
Why are you yelling?
I'm low-key tired,
Right.
but it's gonna be okay.
Because you're gonna eat.
Been up since 8 a.m., which is nothing new. But Dan here
Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
locked the keys in the car.
Can't see.
He locked the keys in el coche para why? No one knows. Para por qué? I don't know why you do that. So, we legit got back, unloaded the van in like, what, 30 minutes? And then we're like, okay, wow, that was great. That was super fast. Let's hurry up and go back to the city and drop off the van. And then the door was locked. All the doors were locked. And the keys were sitting right on the driver's seat.
And who was the driver?
You were driving.
Me.
He's been driving, which I really appreciate. Thank you, Dan. I really appreciate this.
I'll take the appreciation in food. Just kidding.
Lunch is on me. Lunch is on me for sure. Even though I have to dish out more money because we had to call a tow person
We don't know that yet.
to get our keys and like jimmy its way in to get the lock fixed and all that good stuff. So I guess. So now we're on our way back to Brooklyn, Big K, to drop off the van, and then we're probably gonna get something to eat and ride bikes. Like that's just our motto. You want to get something to eat and ride bikes?
That's literally all we do.
That's all we do. So I guess it balances out with weight gain and all that good stuff. But it's just, I was low-key stressed for a second. Like I got in my feelings in a second, and then Dan like brought it back to me, brought it back to reality. He was like,
Bitch,
don't let this.
You ain't shit.
Don't. Wow. First and foremost, don't call me a bitch.
Second
Anyway,
and foremost, that is your nickname.
that's disrespectful.
On the streets. That is your
Anyway,
club.
and he was like, don't let this like ruin your mood, because sometimes I get in my head, I'm like,
You do. We need to talk about that. Ooh, we need to go to therapy for that. Couples therapy.
excuse
We
me?
a couple. We a couple.
We're not a couple.
We a couple.
I have a whole man.
We a couple of friends.
And he's
That's
not
what
it.
he is.
Yeah, we are a couple of friends. That's it.
Trust me.
That's it.
If I were your man, you'd be the luckiest bitch on earth. You not my type.
The gag is, that's so not true.
That is true though.
Anyway,
Ew.
see, this is what I go through all the time with him. Like,
You know what? You can go through the door. How about that? How about that? Just kidding.
can I finish? Can I
I'm just
finish?
gonna just not talk for the rest of the ride.
So we have left Brooklyn in our bum ass apartment. So excuse my language. We've left Brooklyn. Praise Jesus. Thank you Jehovah. So happy about that. And now we're starting the new chapter, or I'm starting the new chapter of my life, and he so happens to be here.
I am.
Then when we get to Brooklyn,
Bring it closer. Get the camera.
guys, we have dropped off the flippin' U-Haul, right?
Yeah.
Dan was a trooper. He did all the driving today. I'm super appreciative for him.
And I got you this.
No.
And I got her this. I got her that.
He got me a new bamboo plant for as part of my house warming because I love plants. Thanks, Dan.
You're welcome.
And I got two other plants in the bake, and that's on what's up.
And what we doing now? Where we going?
And now we're trying to find something to eat because legit, we've been up since early morning.
Well, I've been up since 7:30.
I've been up since 7:30. He's been up since like 8:48. And we have not eaten anything all day. So
Yeah, but it doesn't matter because
I'm tired.
What's up?
These ponytails look weird, but whatever. So we're gonna go find something to eat, and when we get there, of course you'll be with us. So guys, we're at BJ's, and we were going to sit down and do like a cute little sit down dinner, but we are tired.
I'm just gonna eat in the car because I don't want to.
So we're gonna pick it up eat in the car and do like a little walk
Fuck
around
no.
here
Fuck
because I'm
no.
tired. This is a family channel.
Please delete that video.
No, I'm not. You're having too much fun.
I need to go home and ask them to send me some pics.
Wow. Should I get the Caesar salad like last time? I feel like that was a lot.
Was it was it tasty?
It was tasty, but I kind of like.
Honestly, just get some garlic knots so you can get some fries, honestly. I mean, but fries really doesn't go with the apple salad, you know, with the
pasta. I'm gonna do the Caesar salad again.
Okay. For your drink, I'm gonna get you a soda.
Okay.
Do you want a lemonade instead, or some? Do you want a juice?
I feel like the lemonade last time was not popping.
Apple juice, cranberry juice, orange.
Oh,
pineapple.
cranberry juice.
That's actually also really good for your stomach, you know.
It's good for UTIs. It's good for like a lot of things.
Pussy juice.
Excuse me?
I said pussy juice.
Ew. Gross.
This video better not go up.
I mean, it's not for children anyway, so what's up?
Sorry. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. This is my voice when I imitate Jasmine.
I'm not cutting that out. I hope you know that, right?
You are cutting it.
I'm not.
Cut it out, or I will literally stab you to death.
I'm so tired. Like,
Are you?
I need energy. I haven't eaten all day. It is 8.
Can you imagine I order fries on the side and I throw the
PM.
fries in with the pasta? I will murder them.
Get the monkey bread too. The monkey bread here is so good.
I told her about monkey bread.
You did. So the last time I ate was like 10 o'clock last night.
Oh
It is
my God.
8 p.m. today. That's nuts. Like, I need to eat. This is crazy. So we're gonna make our selections. So I've already made mine. Dan has to make his. Hopefully in a prompt manner. And
Not from the top. Make it pop. That's some wet. That's some wet. Okay. Do you want monkey bread with vanilla or chocolate?
do vanilla.
Yeah, their vanilla was so good.
Wait, for the monkey bread, can you make them like small, medium, large? What's that?
No,
Oh.
I mean, do you want a bigger size?
Yeah.
You can get like a full adult size.
Should I get a full size?
If you want, I can order it for you. It's
Yeah, get that full size.
it's $8.75.
Get it. Because the last time it only came with 4 pieces, right?
I think 6 or 7.
It was definitely 4.
You got 4 because I gave you 4.
Oh, you're right. I should get the kids one then.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's literally enough. You need to not eat that much anyways. Woo!
We'll be back.